Hello everyone, we're going to be cutting a bear up today. I took the front shoulders off. This guy wants some roast and burger and some steaks. So it's just basically a standard cut. Remove the two front shoulders, remove the flanks. We'll be cutting the backs or the tenderloins out, kind of similar to a deer. Count back about 2 vertebrae and you'll split it there. Basically, this is all burger material, or you can make it into breakfast sausage. Bust it down into small pieces, be able to debone it. Got a couple of roasts. This shoulder obviously was shot. We got some trimming to do on this one. Lovely ideas of bow hunters. I can't tell you that there's broadheads in there. That's what a broadhead does. Ruins the meat when you don't obviously do a good shot placement. That has all bone chips in it. We're not going to even be able to use that part. That's all good meat there. Basically, you're cutting the ribs off just like a deer. There's literally nothing good on a deer rib or bear rib. There's multiple ways you can cut them out as back straps, or you can cut through them just like a pork chop on a pig. With being cleanly and being clean again. Obviously, it doesn't hurt to rinse your bear out. Won't leave the needles and everything else in it. This guy wants steaks. Square it up. Continue making your round steaks. We'll get to that big grizzle line, that's about where you're at. Maybe get one more out of this. It's kind of wide then. Break it down into manageable size pieces again and debone it. Basically, this is going to be a rump roast. We'll trim that up. This guy doesn't want a rump roast, so we'll just trim it up and debone it. Basically, these are the back straps. The back straps get peeled out just like a venison, a deer. They're a little more difficult due to the fat layer and how cold it gets. These you do follow along the edge of the spine. What you do is you try to stay right on top of it as much as possible. They kind of have a different shaped spine as compared to a deer. It's not straight down. This one's straight down, has a little shelf, and then it rocks over the back part of their spine. See there where I kind of just made a little bit of a notch. A little bit of the front of the pelvic bone there. And these do not tear out like a venison. You have to cut every little piece to be able to get them out. There's a back strap. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos.